Yeah, hanging with all of my friends. I didn't notice this girl who was on to me. This feeling I just couldn't pretend. Oh yeah, oh we started talking and lately, I got to know her as baby. Neither of us wanna be on a single reason. So if you love me, there is some you should